Hello, my name's Martin Fish and I'd like to tell you about this new Cobra mower. This is part of the VX range. It's a rotary mower and it has a rear roller that gives a lovely strike when you're mowing your lawn. And it's powered by the new 40 volt Max Plus battery, which has intelligent cell technology, or ICT, which basically optimizes the life of the battery and gives the power when needed. So overall you get much better performance with this, and it does make a really good job. It's got a steel deck for strength there, and it's also got lots of height adjustments. So let's just have a quick look at it. First of all, we've got the battery. So the battery lives in this compartment here. It's 40 volt, and that just slots into the compartment there and locks into position. So it's as simple as that. The deck itself is steel, and we can raise and lower this with the lever on this side of the mower, and it's got 6 different heights adjustments. So the lowest is 17 millimeters, and we can lift it up gradually to the highest cut, which gives us 3 inches or 75 millimeters. So great range there to suit your cutting on the lawn. Working away on the mower, we've got the grass collection box here. So the grass is cut with the rotary mower that spins round. The blades throw it back into this and it collects 50 litres of grass cutting. So a good volume of grass in there. And to tell you when it needs emptying, it's got this little red flap here. So keep your eye on that, because while ever it's flapping up and down, it tells you that there's a good airflow and the grass is being thrown into the collection box. When it stops, it means it's full. So that's the time to take it and empty it on the compost heap. For storage, the handlebars can be folded down on this one. So it's just simply a case of releasing the 2 red levers like that, and then it will fold down. So ideal for putting it in a shed or the garage, or if you need to put it into the back of a car. And to put it back, we just simply lift them into position and lock them like that. The box takes off very easily. So when it does need emptying, just lift this spring-loaded flap here and lift it off. And that also shows you the roller. So the roller is at the back of the mower, and how it works is as it rolls along and you cut it, flattens the grass, which gives that lovely stripe. And the more you mow with it, the stronger the stripe will be. So that will just hook back into position like that. And then lastly, we've got the controls here at the top of the handlebar. So we've got the red button, which we need to depress to start, and at the same time we need to pull back this red lever, and that engages the electric motor. And then when that's running, because this is self-propelled, we just push the black lever. To stop and turn at the corners, we let go of that while keeping that one in, turn the mower around, and then off we go again. So you've got complete control. So really, really easy to use. A little tip that I always give is that when you are starting to mow, and you'll get used to it with time of course, but don't put the mower on the lowest cut because you'll just scalp the grass. So just lift it up a little bit to start with so that it's clear of the grass. It's easier to go down than it is up when you've caused the damage. So there it is, great mower. So let's do a little bit of mowing with it. So push the button, lever back, and off we go. And there you have it, the new rotary mower from Cobra, part of the VX range with a rear roller. And although it only needs 1 battery, it actually comes with 2 40 volt batteries and a fast charger, and it makes a fantastic job of mowing your lawn and puts on a great stripe. For more information on the VX range or any of the Cobra products, go to cobragarden.co.uk.